Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Maths account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Maths account, firstly open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in maths.com signup or maths signup and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the sign up link shown on the page. It will take you to the official page of Maths account. Tap on View Singles. Select your sender and who you want to meet. On the next page, enter your date of birth and tap on That's It. Enter your zip code and click on That's It. Type in your name and click on That's Me. Enter your email address and click on That's the One. Fill in the credentials on the next page, including your height, relationship status, education level, your interest. Create a password for your Maths account, and that is how you'll be able to sign up for your Maths account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.